Hello everyone, I'm Lee from Vapor Clean Cleaning Services, and today we've got something a little bit different for you. We're going to be looking at whether or not oven cleaner is effective as a paint stripper on wood furniture. Obviously, being in the cleaning industry, offering professional oven cleaning services, we have lots of conversations with different people, and we've had a few about people saying how they use their oven cleaner or off-the-shelf oven cleaner to actually strip some furniture. Obviously, paint strippers can be quite expensive, they can be very chemically based, and always not that easy to get your hands on. These oven cleaners we've got here, the most expensive one is the Mr. Muscle, which is around about £4 for this tin, and easily purchasable out of most major supermarkets, so it's very easy to do. Now obviously we're filming outside, we've only got some test material that we're going to use, but we're filming outside so it's well ventilated. That's very important. You will read on some of these that it's not recommended that you're outside, that you shouldn't be using them outside. I'm sure if you ask them, they wouldn't recommend you use them as a paint stripper either. So imagine you've moved into a new house, and as part of an end of tenancy or something along those lines, the furniture doesn't quite fit, you want to mix it up and change it. Obviously this could be a good way of going about it. The bad side is the fact of when you see how this will affect the wood, just imagine if you've got wood worktops in your kitchen or even a wood floor and you're looking to use one of these products to clean your actual oven. This is the type of damage it can be done when it gets on the wrong surface. But let's concentrate on the fact of what they reckon it can do and actually strip the product for a benefit, and let's apply it. The first one we've got is the Mr. Muscle. I think everyone knows a bit of Mr. Muscle, and it's a very easy to apply. It just simply sprays on. So we're going to spray it on and see what it works. Give it a good shake beforehand. The next one we have, which if you have a look at our best way to clean your oven video, is the one that we don't recommend quite as much. To be honest, we don't recommend any of them. We recommend you have a professional oven clean, but this one, it states itself, it's just on tough grease. It doesn't say anything about deep cleaning. It's more of a routine clean, maybe on a monthly basis, something like that, to keep your oven looking fresh all the time. So don't hold out much hope for this one, but let's give it an apply and see how it works. Last but not least, we have the Oven Pride. Now this one does state that it is a deep cleaner. It's probably the one that we hear about the most. Most people, or a lot of people that we speak to, will say, oh, we've used Oven Pride in the past or something along those lines. Typically it's with disappointing results, but I appreciate not everyone wants to have a professional oven clean every time their oven needs a clean. So we'll give this a go. It's probably the one that I'm expecting to have the most effect because it's got so many harmful chemicals in it. It is ridiculous. It really is quite a lethal product. So let's apply it. You will notice I'm only doing half of the material that we've got, just so you'll be able to see the before and after once we finish.
I'm not sure that one's going to do anything.
Which one?
Oven Pride.
I don't know, that's the one I'd say would do it. So we've applied all three products. You can see we've got the Oven Pride, we've got the Ciff, and we've got the Mr. Muscle. Which one do you think is going to be the most effective? Drop your comment below and get it in at the right time. Don't wait to the end. Okay, so let's give them an agitation. Let's see if it brings off any of the paint that is on the wood itself. So this is the Ciff product, and we'll just use a stainless steel scourer to see if that will bring anything off. Something's happening, but not a lot. As you can see there, it's not made a great deal of difference, but we'll sit them side by side in a second so you can see exactly what the difference is. Secondly, we have the Mr. Muscle. Now, we've given all of these a reasonable amount of dwell time, so we would expect something to happen. There is quite a lot of chemical in there, so you would expect that, but we'll give it an agitation and we'll see what happens. That didn't do a bad job at all, to be fair. This paint is quite thick, It's come from a garden furniture actually, which has been painted multiple times. So yeah, it's done an okay job. Maybe with a second application it might take it off completely, but not bad at all. And the wood feels quite smooth, even bearing in mind that I'm using a stainless steel scourer. So last but not least is the oven pride. Now I can actually see some bubbling on this one, and actually if I just move it with my nail I can see it's already moving, so there's definitely something happening here. Let's give it a scrub, level the playing field, see how it gets on. So as I said, it was definitely doing something. You can see it has stripped off some of it, but it's certainly not done an amazing job. There is quite a lot left there still. But whether or not it would do any better if you left it for more dwell time, with the different 3 products, the Ciff and the Mr. Muscle, says about 20 to 30 minute dwell time. The Oven Pride obviously recommends, when you're oven cleaning recommends 4 hours if not overnight. So potentially if we'd left it longer, that one may do a better job. How that would affect the wood is debatable. It is more of a gel than a liquid, but how that would affect the wood I wouldn't like to say too much really. However, if we compare the 3, you could actually quite clearly see that the product that delivered the best result during this experiment is very much Mr. Muscle. Now the Mr. Muscle is the most expensive product. It was about £4 to buy, but if you had a piece of furniture to spray this on and rub it over, it could be quite effective. Just a couple of tips to remember, coming from someone that used to work with wood: always when you are scrubbing the direction of the grain, otherwise you will damage the grain and you'll end up sanding anyway. But in the same sense, you might be better off once you've stripped some of it, you probably want to sand it down with a fine sandpaper anyway, just to make sure you get a good smooth finish before you apply any other coating after that. But there we go. Can you use oven cleaner to strip wood? Yes, you can. It's as simple as that. You most definitely can. Is it better than paint stripper? Not really, but it might save you some money. So thank you very much for watching. We hope you found that useful. If you do have any comments, please drop them below. Let us know, we'll be happy to answer. And if you've got any hints or tips, things that you'd like us to help you with, we'll be happy to try and oblige and create some videos. And if you wouldn't mind just sharing this video with one person, we'd be very grateful. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again next week. Bye bye.